Due to the pandemic to 2020 to 2022, the use of masks has increased. This necessary could have saved thousands of lives, but greatly polluted the environment.
Tatiana, did you see the news?
Yes, right here.
It looks like we'll go into quarantine.
I don't think we'll be worried about it. It would be like a weakness.
1 eternity later.
Now that the COVID cases have dropped, I want to go to the beach. But I'm going to call Tatiana and see if she wants to go with me.
Hello, Kibet. How are you?
Hi Tatiana, I'm fine. I just wanted to see if you want to come with me to the beach for a month. Of course, with all the security measures.
But the beach is too far away. Did you see if we can go to a new river, like 1 hour or 2?
Sure, I'm going to check. In that way, we're going to drive less.
Over 1 month later.
Wow, this river is amazing, but my mask is damaged and there is no guard.
Don't worry, let's show them here.
Did you see television? They're going to see the plastic.
Yeah, but this is in plastic.
What the stage is made of?
I have no idea.
No!
Did you see nothing happen?
Yes, let's go have fun.
Help me, I go cow. Help me, I go cow.
Hello, friend. What's happening to you?
I go cow, help me. Oh, okay, but what happened to you?
We didn't cut off this and we can get out. I don't know how to get free.
Oh, let me see if I can help you. Help, we got cow, please.
Did you really think I just forgive? Look at him.
You can see the increasing contamination towards the environment and how throughout these 2 years the use of equipment to avoid being infected of COVID-19, such as surgical gloves, masks, disposable suit, among others, have produced that there is more pollution in the environment and an increase of 4,000 tons of plastic during a month.
Help us prevent the water from being polluted.
And then we can protect the environment from garbage.
And don't forget to take care of yourself.
And save the planet.
It is not that complicated. Take your mask, remove the strips, and put them in a recycled plastic bag. Once out of the cover is full, throw them in a common garbage. They are not recyclable. We know that the masks are necessary, so we recommend to use cloth masks and do not dispose of them individually. If you don't discard them, then the bag is full.